I'd like to thank Dr. Robert Belvin, the director of the New Brunswick Free Public Library, and everyone else for attending today's presentation and offering their support for this project. The city of New Brunswick, New Jersey, where the library is located, is home to a growing senior population. However, while technology has become essential for healthcare, regular communication, and daily services, many older adults still face barriers in using it confidently. Across the United States, there's roughly 27% of older adults who remain disconnected from the internet, and many express fear of breaking something when trying to use new technology. One senior who participated in a local survey shared that she felt left out when her doctor switched to telehealth appointments, which shows how real and personal this issue is for many older residents. The problem is simple but significant. If you don't understand technology, how can you use it to stay connected and informed? In order to address this issue, I propose a senior digital literacy program at the New Brunswick Free Public Library. This program would serve as a free, accessible, and community-based solution to help seniors gain the confidence and skills to use technology safely and independently. To guide my approach, I researched similar programs that have implemented successfully across other regions. The Bury Council's Tech and Cafe program in the United Kingdom found success in providing a social, relaxed learning environment for older adults. The Salt Lake City Public Library created a digital navigators model that trains staff and volunteers to offer one-on-one tech support. Lastly, the Toronto's Senior Citizens Cyber Students program connects students with older adults for personalized tech mentorship, showing great improvement in comfort and skill level participations. Taking inspiration from these examples, I created a three-phase plan designed for implementation at the New Brunswick Free Public Library. Phase 1 will focus on training. In this phase, library staff will complete the Digital Navigator certification. Once trained, these staff members will guide Rutgers University student volunteers to help lead workshops and one-on-one sessions. Phase 2 will focus on implementation. This includes running a 6-week program, twice weekly, 1-hour workshops. Each week will cover practical skills such as using email, telehealth portals, and navigating government websites, and simply just communicating through video calls. Phase 3 will focus on evaluation and sustainability. After the workshops, participants will complete surveys and informal interviews to measure their confidence and new abilities. We'll also track skill improvements through pre- and post-program assessments. To maintain long-term impact, we will follow up 3 months later with participants to see if they still have continued use of these skills, and feedback will be used to help the next round of workshops and ensure the program remains sustainable over time. The estimated budget for this project is $3K, which will cover training materials, outreach, and evaluation. The budget breakdown is $1.2 for training and certification, $1K for workshop materials and outreach, and $800 for evaluation and participant support. With this investment, we can provide seniors in our community the tools to connect digitally and independently. The finalized proposal and detailed budget will be available by the second week of December. Finally, we plan to share results and success stories through the library's websites, newsletters, and social media to inspire others to adopt similar programs. This concludes my presentation. Once again, I would like to thank Dr. Belvin and everyone else in attendance for supporting this initiative to make New Brunswick a more connected, inclusive, and digitally confident community. Thank you.